Hey, you. Yes, you, scrolling and sipping your coffee. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, wait, I just got paid. Where did all my money go? Cue dramatic music. Welcome to the case of the disappearing dollars, featuring your invisible wallet, a magical, mysterious creature that you carry around but never quite see. It's not in your purse or your phone or even in your back pocket, but it's real, and it leaks money faster than an open tab at a Friday night bar. Today, we're going to dive into what your invisible wallet is, why it keeps leaking, how your subconscious beliefs are pickpocketing you, and what to do to finally patch those holes and manifest real, sustainable wealth. Get cozy, get curious, and maybe grab a snack. We're going on an adventure through the enchanted forests of your financial mindset. Chapter 1. The Tale of the Invisible Wallet. You have two wallets. One holds your cash, cards, and receipts. The other, it lives in your mind. It's the invisible one, and it runs the show. This wallet is made up of every money belief you picked up since childhood, every story you told yourself about rich people, every time someone said money doesn't grow on trees, and every single I'm broke moment you've whispered in the shower. Your invisible wallet doesn't carry coins, it carries conditioning. And guess what? If it's filled with scarcity, guilt, and fear, then no matter how much money you make, you'll always feel broke. Let that sink in for a second. Chapter 2. When the wallet starts leaking. Let's play a quick game. Finish these sentences. Money is the root of rich people are always, I'll never be able to afford. Did you feel a tiny emotional wobble, a pinch of judgment, maybe even a little shame? That, my friend, is your invisible wallet leaking. It leaks when you overspend to impress people, undercharge because you feel guilty, avoid looking at your bills, panic check your bank balance, and cry text your group chat. Each of those actions is driven by a belief, and that belief comes from your invisible wallet. And here's the kicker. You can't manifest abundance with a wallet full of lack. Chapter 3. Childhood, piggy banks, and money ghosts. Let's take a little journey back in time. To the dinner table, to the supermarket checkout, to your parents arguing over bills, whispering things they thought you didn't hear. That's where your first money lessons came from. Even if no one sat you down and said, here's how money works, your brain was always taking notes. If you saw stress every time bills arrived, fear when it came to credit cards, resentment around wealthy people, then your invisible wallet started with a balance of fear 100%, trust 0%. Your inner child might still believe money is scary. Having too much makes me selfish. Success means isolation. Those ghosts, they're still haunting your financial decisions today. Chapter 4. The Spell of the Broke Identity. Here's a truth bomb. Sometimes we identify with being broke. It becomes our personality. I'm a hot mess express. I can't budget. I'm the friend who's always asking for a split payment plan. These might sound like harmless jokes, but they're powerful affirmations, and they keep your invisible wallet locked in poverty mode. Why? Because the subconscious brain loves consistency. If it sees your identity as broke but funny, it'll sabotage anything that threatens that storyline, even wealth. Yes, even the promotion you said you wanted, even the side hustle you never started, even the savings account you ghosted. It's not laziness, it's protection. Your brain wants you to be right, even if what you believe is wrong. Chapter 5. Your wallet's love language. What if I told you your wallet is a living thing? Okay, not literally, but let's play pretend. Let's say your wallet has a personality. What does it love? Appreciation, attention, respect. When was the last time you looked at your wallet and said, thank you for providing? When was the last time you tracked your spending and didn't cringe? When was the last time you celebrated paying a bill because it meant you had electricity, internet, and Netflix? We attract what we appreciate. If you treat your money like an unwanted guest, it'll stop visiting. But if you treat it like a dear friend, one that you respect, nurture, and trust, it'll keep coming back. Money's love language is consistency, clarity, and calm. Speak that language. Chapter 6, The Ritual of Money Awareness. Let's cast a new spell together, one that reprograms your invisible wallet. Step 1, daily money dates. Spend 5 minutes every morning just looking at your money. Say hello, log your expenses, no shame allowed. Step 2, wealthy words only replace. I can't afford that with, I choose not to spend on that right now. That's not aligned with my priorities. It changes everything. Step 3, celebrate tiny wins. Saved $5 on coffee? That's a win. Transferred $10 to savings? Throw a dance party. Step 4, write a love letter to money. Yes, really. Dear money, I'm sorry I treated you like a burden. I'm ready to trust you. Thank you for always showing up. Your subconscious responds to emotion, repetition, and story. Give it a new one to believe. Chapter 7, From Leaks to Overflow. Your invisible wallet doesn't have to stay broken. You can. Rebuild it, reinforce it. Fill it with trust, joy, and abundance. Start small. Start daily. Track your spending without judgment. Speak kindly to your money. Question every belief that makes you feel like money is evil, hard, or distant. Instead, believe, money is a tool I know how to use. Wealth is natural to me. I'm building a life of freedom. Every time you say those words, your invisible wallet grows stronger. Chapter 8, The Real Secret of Wealth. You made it to the final chapter. Here's the secret. Wealth isn't just about income. It's about safety. It's about peace. It's about knowing that your money supports your joy, not dictates your stress. And that starts inside your invisible wallet. Money doesn't change who you are. It amplifies it. So if you want to manifest more, become the kind of person who knows how to hold it. Start with your beliefs, then your actions, then your habits. And soon, your visible wallet, the one with actual cash, will catch up. A toast to your wallet. So here's to your invisible wallet, to the healed wounds, to the rewritten stories, to the magical, magnetic money mindset you're building day by day. You're not just manifesting money, you're manifesting a new identity, one that says, I'm safe with money. I attract opportunities. I hold abundance with joy. Let's make money magical again. Let's make it yours. Now go check your wallet. Say something nice to it. And maybe, just maybe, it'll say something back. And hey, if today's episode gave your mindset a little upgrade, don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you don't miss tomorrow's dose of magic. Yeah, and maybe set a reminder or just binge the next one right now. Perfect! It's right there on the screen. Go on, click it. Your future self says thanks.